Today, the Aneurin Bevan University Health Board family marks Remembrance Day. It's a time to pause, to reflect, and to honour those who gave their lives in the hope of a better world. As we do so, we acknowledge that we are connected by shared values of courage, resilience, and compassion, qualities that have carried generations through adversity and still sustain us in our work and hospital community today. As the years pass and the generations who lived through the wars diminish in number, the responsibility to remember falls increasingly to us. We remember not only for them, but for ourselves and for future generations. Yet, as we look back, it's often with the sober realisation that humanity has, at times, struggled to truly learn from the lessons of our history. Conflicts continue, and peace is not always assured. And so Remembrance Day becomes more than a tribute. It becomes a call to us all to learn, to hold fast to the ideals of compassion and peace, and to seek ways to bring about change that honours life rather than takes it. We remember today not to glorify war, but to commit ourselves to a world where such sacrifices may no longer be needed. This moment reminds us that the work towards a better, more compassionate world lies within our hands. Today, let us carry forward the memory of the past and the challenge for the future as a guide to our actions and as a reminder of our shared humanity. They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them. When you go home, tell them of us and say, "For your tomorrow, we gave our today." Thank you for standing with us in remembrance. May we hold on to this moment as a reminder of the sacrifices that shaped our world, and may it inspire us to bring compassion, understanding and hope into all that we do for the good of all.